Darling, darling, we'll turn the lights back on now. Watching, watching, as the credits all roll down. Crying, crying, no playing to a full house. No heroes, villains, one to blame. While the zeros is still the stage and the thrill is gone. Our debut was a masterpiece, but in the end for you and me on the show, it can't go on. We used to have